Have you ever wondered how to configure your user account in Engonus? Today, we're going to demystify that process. You'll learn the key difference between a company account, which can have multiple users, and a user account, which is individual specific. Now let's dive into the details of configuring a user account in Engonus. Firstly, navigate to the top right corner of your Engonus dashboard. Here you'll find a drop-down menu with various options: Profile, Settings, My Transactions, My Holidays, Empty Database, and Logout. In Profile, you can adjust personal details, while Settings allows admins to tweak company-wide parameters. My Transactions gives a snapshot of your activity, and My Holidays displays assigned vacation days. Admins have exclusive access to Empty Database, a tool for resetting system data. Logout simply signs you off. Each of these options serves a specific function that we will explore further. Let's start with the Profile option. This is your personal space where you can update your details, change your password, and even modify your company name. It's all about keeping your information current and secure. Moving on to Settings, this is the admin's playground. Here, you can tweak the company name, assign user access levels, set the currency, time zone, and date format, and even upload your company logo. It's all about customization to fit your business needs. My Transactions is your personal activity report card. It's a comprehensive view of your actions within the organization, represented by each day of the week. My Holidays is your personal calendar, where you can view the holidays assigned to you. It's all about planning your time effectively. A word of caution about Empty Database. This irreversible option clears all data from the ERP and is typically used when resetting the system following testing. And lastly, Logout is how you safely exit the Engonus system. So, that's a brief walkthrough of how to configure your user account in Engonus. Remember, each option serves a unique purpose, from personalizing your profile to managing transactions and holidays. Understanding user permissions is vital. With this knowledge, you can now confidently navigate and personalize your Engonus user account to suit your needs.